Hey guys, now we have layout of RecyclerView. Then we need to code the adapter of RecyclerView. Adapter must have the information on how to display affirmations inside our RecyclerView. We have affirmations item XML, and let's create the adapter for this layout. In user interface, click right button, then new Kotlin class file, and let's name it item adapter. Enter. We need to receive the list of affirmations into the adapter, and let's receive it in constructor. List of affirmation. Affirmation is our model of data. Return to item adapter, and we have error parameter name expected. Let's create the parameter name. Val, it will be data set, and type of data set is list of affirmation. And let's make data set private to use it only in this class. Also, we need information about our app. For this, let's receive a context. Create context, type context. OK, then comma, and let's add private val. Inside our item adapter, we need to create item view holder. For recycle our views, create class item view holder inside item adapter class. Inside item view holder, let's find our view from affirmations item. ID of this view is item title, and write find view by ID. Android Studio cannot find it. We need to write view before find view by ID, and we need to create local variable. It will be val text view is viewpoint find view by ID. We need to receive it in parameter private val view is view type. That's OK. Text view is text view type, and let's write it once more. Point find view by ID. That's OK. And let's find it. Error resource point ID of our item. For this, let's import R option enter import and find name item title. Then let's extend our item adapter from RecyclerView adapter. For this, type RecyclerView point adapter. We have error. We need to write in brackets RecyclerView our view holder. For this, set brackets, and in brackets set our item view holder. Write item view holder. We have an error because we need to implement abstract methods from RecyclerView. Click class item adapter and implement members. Press Shift and down. We select all members, then press OK. We have error. This type has a constructor and thus must be initialized here. Let's initialize constructor, and we have one error. Argument should be subtype of RecyclerView view holder. Let's set it RecyclerView point view holder, and in brackets we need parameter item view. Let's type view. That's OK. We need to code these methods. The most simple method is getItemCount. We need to return a size of our dataset. Size is a number. Write return dataset point size. That's all. Then on createViewHolder. On createViewHolder is called when RecyclerView needs to create new view holders. It takes two parameters and return new item view holder. Parent is our RecyclerView, and view type is important when we code multiple items. In our application, we have only one list item, and we needn't worry about this parameter. In this method, we need to create new view, val adapter layout, for example, and we need to return item view holder of our view adapter layout. To get the view, write layout inflator point from, and we need to set context. Context we have from item adapter. Write parent, parent is our view group, and get context. But we have error. We expected view, but we have layout inflator. Let's get view. For this, set point, then inflate. Choose our layout affirmations item. For this, type error, point layout, point affirmations item. Then we need to set view group and boolean. View group is parent and boolean is false. It's a difficult but a standard code which we will use from app to app. We cross recommended line and let's press enter. And the last method is onBindViewHolder. It's called when we need to replace the content of our item view. OnBindViewHolder have two parameters, our item view holder from onCreateViewHolder method and position of our list. Let's create variable. Item is position of our dataset. Write dataset. Dataset is a list of affirmation, but when we add position, we have affirmation. Next, we need to set our affirmation content to our layout. For this, find our text view, write holder, then text view. Text view is our item title element, and then set text. Text from string resource ID of our item. Then we have error because we need char sequence, but string resource ID is integer. We need to get string. We can get string. For this, write context point resources point get string and get string from item point string resource ID. We complete RecyclerView adapter, and in the next lesson we will tell the RecyclerView to use our adapter.